Are you ready for the next big leap in drone technology? Because if the latest leaks are true, DJI is about to blow everyone's minds again. The upcoming DJI Neo 2 might just be the smartest, most powerful, and most compact drone we've ever seen, and it's loaded with next-gen AI features that sound straight out of a sci-fi movie. We're talking about real-time obstacle prediction, AI flight learning, and even subject re-identification, so your drone can literally predict where your target will reappear and keep tracking like magic. Add to that a rumored 1-inch dual-lens camera system, 6K 60 frames per second recording, 10-bit D-Log-M, and HDR video, and this thing could easily rival drones twice its size and price. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But that's not all. Leaks suggest DJI has built an all-new AI flight OS that learns your flying style, recommends cinematic shots automatically, and could even create real-time edits straight from your phone. The Neo 2 is also expected to boast 52 minutes of flight time, 15-minute ultra-fast charging, and a 30-kilometer transmission range, all packed into a sleek, matte magnesium frame small enough to fit in your hand. And the best part? Rumor has it this futuristic drone could launch for under $1,000. In this video, we're breaking down everything we know so far about the DJI Neo 2, its leaked specs, AI features, design upgrades, and why it might be the most revolutionary drone of 2025. If you thought DJI couldn't possibly top themselves after the Mini 4 Pro or Air 3, think again. This could be the compact AI drone that changes everything. The drone world is officially on fire once again, and this time it's because DJI, the undisputed king of aerial technology, might be preparing to launch something that could completely redefine what we expect from compact drones. Leaks are pouring in about the brand new DJI Neo 2, and if what we're hearing is true, this could be the most advanced, most intelligent, and most portable drone DJI has ever built. Think of it as a perfect blend between the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3, but supercharged with AI capabilities that sound like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie. According to the leaked reports, the Neo 2 will feature an all-new AI flight processor, capable of real-time obstacle prediction, adaptive path planning, and even subject re-identification, meaning if you lose track of your target behind trees or buildings, the drone's neural engine can predict where it'll reappear and resume tracking instantly. That's next-level stuff, and if true, it could make Neo 2 the smartest compact drone ever made. The camera system is equally jaw-dropping, a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a dual-lens hybrid system, one for ultra-wide cinematic landscapes and the other for zoom or portrait-style compression shots. Leakers claim that DJI is bringing 6K 60 frames per second recording to this tiny drone, along with 10-bit D-Log-M and HDR video, pushing color and dynamic range closer to what we see in professional aerial rigs like the Inspire series. Combine that with DJI's new Hypertone color engine, and we're talking about footage that looks ready for film production straight out of the camera. And yes, there are strong hints that the Neo 2 will debut DJI's next-generation Active Track 6.0 Plus, an AI-driven subject tracking system capable of understanding gestures, body language, and movement intent, essentially predicting where your subject is about to move next, so the footage stays buttery smooth and cinematic no matter how unpredictable the action gets. For creators, that's a dream come true. Effortless dynamic movement without needing to touch the controller. Design-wise, leaks show that the DJI Neo 2